Hello, you're a student at Bethany Lutheran College in Mankato, Minnesota. You might be asking yourself, what is there to do here?
Yeah.
Well, lucky for you, we're located right in the heart of Mankato, so you're never too far away from all the fun around town. Hey Jenna, are you hungry?
A little, yeah.
Amis has great burgers.
This looks great, but I don't think I'm in the mood for a burger.
That's okay, we can get pizza at Dino's instead.
I'm still not sure.
Or we could sit down at Nola Bell. More of a fancy vibe. Giliberto's is right down the hill from campus and open 24/7, so you can satisfy your craving for Mexican food after midnight after studying. Let's get something sweet. Mom and Pop's is my favorite ice cream in town.
This is really good.
Maybe we should walk off all this food. Good idea. Mankato has endless options for outdoor activities. Sibley Park is pretty much everything. Walking trails, fishing locations, and even a petting zoo. If you take a trip downtown, you can enjoy the City Art Walking Sculpture Tour. Each year, new unique sculptures from local artists are featured around the area. If you need to get indoors, Wow Zone is the perfect place with arcade games, laser tag, and bowling.
Man, I'm getting tired.
How about a pick-me-up coffee?
Sure.
River Rock and Neutral Grounds are favorites of Bethany students. Mankato also has chain coffee stores like Starbucks, Caribou, and Dunkin'.
Perfect. I love coffee.
How about some shopping?
Sure.
Uptown has all the essential stores like Target and Walmart. There's also the River Hills Mall, which has all your favorite stores in one place. If you go down the hill to Old Town, you'll find the cute, vibrant local boutiques like Bella Nova, Wild Sparrow, and if you're into music, there's Toontown.
This is awesome.
Well, Jenna, what did you think about Mankato?
It has a lot more than I was expecting, and I like how Bethany is so close to everything.
That's awesome. High five.